Hello guys, Fahim here and welcome to Top Recruiter. So in this video I will show you how you can fix 4034 video error on Laravel application. So this is going to be my shortest video ever. It's a simple issue. So when you have a Laravel application and you are getting this error, it means there is something wrong with your htaccess file. So in our case, if we go to our root URL of our website, you can see that it's working fine. But if we go to our admin route, you can see we are getting this error. So as I mentioned, this is something to do with the htaccess file. So if we open our htaccess file of our project and it's inside the public folder, you can see that basically everything is default, like the Laravel's default file. There's no changes. So if you are having the same issue that your htaccess file, you haven't made any changes to your htaccess file but you are still getting this error, it means that you have something inside your public folder. So if we go into our application and go inside our public folder, you can see there is a folder called admin. You can see that right here. So that's why when we hit this admin route, it's showing us this. So you can see if we just change this to admin, let's say assets, and if we reload our application, you can see the site is back to normal and everything is working fine. So that's all you have to do. You just have to look inside your htaccess file. If there is no error, you can just go inside your public folder and look for the route name inside your public folder and see if there is any file or folder as the same name as your route. So just change the name or delete it, it's your wish. So it will fix your problem. So it's a simple video. So if this solved your problem, please make sure to subscribe and like my video. See you in next video.